Hi friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable PowerShell 2.0. And you may be wondering why it is important to disable PowerShell 2.0, and this is because it is a very old version of PowerShell, and this is not going to, let's say, stop you from using PowerShell, but it's only going to disable the old version so you can still use the new version of PowerShell. Right, so how do you go about disabling this old version of PowerShell? Just simply click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in Windows features, right? So by the time you start to type in Windows features, guys, you will see turn Windows features on or off. So you're going to click on that, and this is within your control panel, as you can see there. So once you're here, you'll have this little window up here, and all you have to do now is just scroll down to where you will find PowerShell. You will find it there within the list. And as you can see here, I now have it enabled here, but to disable this, you can simply go ahead and uncheck this box, then click on OK. And it's going to search for the required files and then disable this, and it will require you to restart your computer. So once this is done, just go ahead and restart your computer, right? And that's all there is to it. Now I'm going to wait for it to complete. And as you can see, it is done. Just go ahead and click on close and restart. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.